On 922, November 22nd, 2025, for Norwex 1687 as a progress on the global Heart simulation. Currently, it has been figured out how to subdivide a cube into an area of smaller cube instances. This works no matter the scale of the cube or the size of the smaller cubes, and so with a larger cube it still appears to work correctly, and it also works even if the number of cubes is not a whole value. So if the scale of the cube is made to be something like 0.6, and then it's supposed to be divided into 3 cubes per face, then it will account for that gap, and so that appears to work correctly. And what is occurring here is that the calculation for 0.6 and 0.3 ends up becoming a float, and due to the floating point math, it apparently rounds that to an incorrect value, such as 1.8 instead of a accurate 2 value, or something along that line. And so that is being accounted for. So instead of it overshooting, it doesn't overshoot and rounds up. The code is modified to accurately round down. And so the intention going forward is to use this system to create some logic to where these individual cubes can perhaps mask a level in order to have an effect where they can obscure the different areas within a map, and only stop obscuring the areas when the player draws near to an individual cube. And so at the current moment, these faces are being constructed one by one, but since all of the faces are constructed one by one, and the camera is supposed to be top down, as this is further implemented, the idea is to remove certain faces, as some faces will not be seen. So the top face always obscures the bottom, and the front face always obscures the back face, and the left face always obscures the right one if the camera is positioned to the top and left of the scene. And so that's the intention going forward, to create a masking system for geometry in the level using these instances of cubes.